Good afternoon, my diamond art peeps. This is Diamond Painting with Jack, and I am Jack. Today we are going to do, or I am going to do, a completion. If this is your first time to my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you are a returning person, thank you so much. Like I said, today I'm going to do completions. I have two. One is from GBFKE, and then one is from Go Calendar Games and Toys. Okay, so I hope everybody's having a great day. The weather is nice here. It's a little cool, but still nice enough to be outside in shorts, and I'm a happy camper because of that. So, all right, so we're just going to get started. The first one, I'll just go ahead and start with I'll start with the little one. So I think if you've seen my video, probably last month, I went to an outlet mall, and there is a store called Go exclamation mark Calendar Games and Toys. And so I went in there, I thought I can just ask, you know, it doesn't hurt to ask. So I said, do you guys have any diamond art kits? And she said, yes, we do. But they only had one. So I got it, and it is this elephant. So, I mean, it looks really great in the camera, but it's not bad. This is a round, and it's 20 colors. I paid $11.99 for this, so I probably paid too much, but it was, you know, at a specialty store, so maybe that was why. And this was absolutely the only one that they had, and they probably had I don't know, probably 7 or 8 left. So last weekend I went to Fort Worth, which is in Texas, and so from where I live in Oklahoma, it's like about a 3-hour drive. So I didn't drive, and so I did this the entire way down there and all the way back, and we were there for Friday and Saturday, and we came back Sunday. And so anytime that we had in the hotel, and if we weren't doing anything, I worked on it, and I almost got it finished before they pulled up into my driveway. It took me, once I got home, I went ahead and finished it, and it took me less than 5 minutes to get to finish. So that was how close I was. And the young lady that drove like she had stole something. So I was even surprised. You know, if she would like been driving like the speed limit, I probably would have gotten it finished. But anyway, so it was fun. It was easy to work on. Very little trash. The only thing with these small ones is that I wish the drills were like a little bit bigger. But I enjoyed working on it, and working on it in a car wasn't too bad. It was hard to multi-place, and I find that with the smaller drills, it just may be me, but I find it hard to multi-place anyway. So I basically just did one drill at a time on majority of it. When I was in the hotel room, I could do a little, but the drills were like really small, and so it was hard to get them to line up. And because of it being small, getting them out of the tray that gets stuck or something, or so I don't know. Like I said, it was probably me. but $11.99, and I haven't sealed this, so, and I probably won't, you know, I probably won't just, probably just hang it up or put it in my little stash. So it was fun. Okay, and this next one, GBFKE. I really like this one. I really, and this is not sealed at all, but it's got a really good you guys, the color is really good. One day me will talk so pretty. So now I put I kind of blinged up the eyes, and you can't really tell, and it really doesn't look that great, but on the butterfly I put some I think they were like white ABs in there. So, but that was it. Other than that, I just did the rendering like it was, did the canvas like it was. This was 23 colors. Again, I wish that the drills were just a little bit bigger. I found that the rounds, they were like so easy to work on. Very little trash. And here's like the crazy thing. So I was going to show you guys how much trash I had. I had it in my little container, and I had it on top of one of my canvas, and I went to go lift something up, and all of what little trash I had went on the floor. But very small amount of trash. Stick was very good. I tried to look this up on the GBFKE site, and I couldn't find it. I paid $6.99 for it. Oh, and it does have the DMC colors, and it has legends on both sides. Started this August 24th, and I finished it September the 8th. No training wheels. And the drill field was very clear. And like I said, the only embellishment I did was just in the eyes. So I really love this one. It turned out really well. Now it looks better in the camera, but the field is rendering is still really good. It's still really good. But anyway, so I really enjoyed doing this. So this GBFKE, $6.99, 23 colors, DMC codes it's on. And then this I got from Go Calendar Games and Toys, $11.99, 20 colors. And also, I think I lied, but it does have the DMC, or did I say it? It does. It does have the DMC code on here as well. Okay, so I hope that you and I will put these the descriptions down in the description box. So I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you would like to be a part of my family, if you would please hit that subscription button, hit the bell to be notified every time that I put up a video. Hit the like button on your way out. I would really, truly appreciate it. Thank you so much again for hanging with me this far. Be kind to one another. Take care of yourself, and keep cool and keep diamond painting. Bye, guys.